All right. So trigonometry is the branch of maths, branch of math deals with the study of triangle only. Okay. We have only one shape in this chapter, which is a triangle. Okay. So trigonometry is the branch of maths deals with the study of triangle only. So now the question is why triangle is important? Why triangle is so important? The triangle क्यों इतना important है that we have a separate branch for it. ठीक है. So first of all, you should know that, for example, if it is a square, it is a rectangle. For example, it's a rhombus. ये tilted square rhombus होता है. ठीक है. Tilted rectangle, it is what? It is a parallelogram. Agree? So in each and every shape, we can make a triangle, right, Esan?
Yes,
So in every polygon, we can split the polygon in different triangles. So that is the reason triangle is very important in mathematics. Okay. So technically, triangle means, first of all, we need to study that what a triangle is. So then we will study the details. So triangle. So tri means three and angle means angle. So it means that it has three angles. Tri means three angles. So it has three sides. Total interior angle is what? Total interior angle is 180. It is equals to 180 degrees. Agree? So these are the some characteristics of the triangle. So technically we have some few types of the triangles. Okay. So the two major types of the triangles are two major types of triangle. They are, the first one is a right angle triangle. First one is what? Right angled triangle. Now the question is, Ayana, what is a right angle? What is right angle? Right angle means what? Means 90 degree. So a triangle with 90-degree angle is known as the right angle triangle. So for example, this is a triangle right in front of you. So sorry, it's not a right angle triangle. So let me make another one. Noor, can you hear me?
Yes.
So see, it's a right angle triangle. So I call right angle triangle as rat. Okay. So rat बोलता हूँ मैं इसको right angle triangle को. So first of all, we need to study about the right angle triangle. कि right angle triangle क्या चीज़ है, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग आगे जाके इनको डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है. All right. So right angle triangle है पहली type. Okay. And the second type is not right angle triangle. Second type is not right angled triangle. ये बात I hope आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है. Not right angle triangle. Not right angle triangle may we have several types. The first one is isosceles. ठीक है. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means that, for example, a type of triangle in which two sides are equal. ठीक है. Two sides slash two angles are equal. Angles are equal. So for example, if it is 5, so that would be 5. And if it is, for example, 30, so that is also 30. ठीक है. So second type in not a right angle triangle is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay. Scalene triangle, for example, a triangle in which all the sides are different. Okay. For example, that's 10, that's 5, that is 7. So it means that all sides slash all angles are different. Okay. Different. This is what a scalene triangle is. Okay, the third type is equilateral triangle. कोई बता सकता है equilateral triangle क्या होता है? जरूर नाम सुना होगा आप लोगों ने. Anyone? बेटा किसी को कोई आइडिया है equilateral triangle का? के बाद आपकी आवाज मुझे नहीं आ रही है, फिर माइक का आपका इशू अभी तक सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है। Equilateral triangle is a type of triangle in which all sides are equal. So all sides are equal. So Noor, better total angle of the triangle is 180, right? So 180
Yes.
divided by 3 is 60 degree. इसका मतलब है कि every angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Easy? Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's test this knowledge now. Okay, for example, so, Noor, what is the name of this triangle? Noor, what is the name of this triangle, beta, please?
Sir, I don't know.
It is just a triangle, okay? What about this one? What is the name now? Anyone? Ayana, Asan? Yes,
Right
it
angle
is.
triangle.
It is right angled triangle. Okay. Ayana, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayana, it's a right angle triangle. Agree?
Ji, sir.
These two lines means that these two lines are equal. Agree? I
Yes,
know
sir.
that it is a right angle triangle, but at the same time, it is what? At the same time, it is what?
Isosceles.
Yes. So the name of this triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, if you have another triangle right in front of you, this is a right angle triangle, but for example, this is 9, this is 4, and that is 17. I know that this is right angle triangle, right, Noor?
Yes.
Okay, but at the same time, it is scaling as well because all sides are different. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
So these are the tricky questions. It can come in the exam for 1 mark only. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's start studying the triangles in detail. So we have two types. So right angle triangles. So we have to find out first of all, right angled triangle in detail. So okay. So please pay attention, everybody. So I'm gonna make here a triangle. Okay, right. This is a triangle. Okay. A B C. Okay. Ibal, what is the name of AB? AB is what? AB is what? AB is hypotenuse. AB is what? It is hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, right, Essen? Is the longest side of triangle. ठीक है बेटा? And hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. Easy?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay. Side opposite to side opposite to other angle, any other angle, any other angle other than 90, other than 90 degree is perpendicular. ठीक है, उसका नाम होता है बेटा perpendicular. And the third side is third side is base. ठीक है, जिसको adjacent भी कहा जाता है. ठीक है, सो कार्टोआ की टेक्निक में वो क्या होती है आगे जाके पता होगा. ठीक है जी, पहले आपको ट्रायंगल्स के नाम आने चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अयाना, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all we need to study Pythagoras theorem. Okay, do you know what is Pythagoras theorem?
Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
Very good, very good. Pythagoras theorem. So that is that hypotenuse square it is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. According to this technique, it says that this hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, and if I take a square of that, that will give us the same result if we take the square of these two. Yes or no? Yes or no? For example, it can give you a question like that they say that, for example, this is 4 and that is 5, and they say find x. So we know that x is hypotenuse, right, Ibad? So we write x square is equals to 4 square plus 5 square. X square is equals to 16 plus 25. X square is equals to 39. No, 25 plus 16 is what? 41. So Noor, what is square root 41? Taking square root on both sides. So square root 41 क्या होगा बेटा? 6 point what? ऐसा ना
$6.4.
आपकी आवाज मुझे नहीं आ रही. 6.4 is the answer for x. So that is what Pythagoras theorem, and we use Pythagoras theorem is used, PT के मैंने short में लिख दिया, is used to find the third side if two sides are given. If two sides are given, like Noor, originally the formula is this thing, right? Right? Right, Noor?
Yes, sir.
Can I write the formula this way? हाँ जी. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, I think so.
Yes. Okay. Minus p square is equals to b square. So can I write the formula this way? It means that we have three variables, 1, 2, 3. So we can find out hypotenuse, we can find out perpendicular, we can find out the base if we have the other two sides. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, Pythagoras, the use of the Pythagoras theorem is to find out the third side. हमें third side निकालनी पड़ती है. Like for example के तौर पे एक question यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. For example, in this case, uh, for example, let me just make a triangle here. For example, in this case, that is 90. For example, the hypotenuse is given. This is unknown, and for example, this is 19. And the exam is asking me what is the value of x. So we have the Pythagoras theorem. They say that h square is equals to b square plus p square. 25 remains the hypotenuse because it is the longest side of the triangle and it is opposite to 90. So that is 25 square. So b can be x or 19. Base and perpendicular, it depends on angle only. Okay. So for example, if I say that b is my x, so I can write x square plus 19 square. So as in you know that 19 square will go towards the left, so it become negative. Yes or no? So Noor, can you please solve this for me? 25 square minus 19 square. 25 calculator, please. 25 square minus 19 square is what?
264.
264. Can you please take square root of the answer? Square root 264.
16.2.
16.2. Okay, Noor, you can see that you got the value that x is equals to 16.2, right? And this
Yes, sir.
16.2 is bacha less than 25. Agree?
Yes.
So it means that the question is correct. Okay. If your answer is greater than 25, so it means that you have done some mistake, because it can't be greater than 25, because we said it very clearly when we started right angle triangle that hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, now it's time to um, study trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Okay, we'll study right angle triangle today. We'll study Right angle triangle, we will solve few questions tomorrow, and then we'll study not a right angle triangle, then questions, and then we will proceed the topic like that. Trigonometric ratios. So for example, so in trigonometric ratios, let me make just a triangle here to understand that. Okay, that is hypotenuse. Okay, let me just give the name ABC. Okay, so that is hypotenuse. For example, this is angle C, so that would be perpendicular, and this would be base. Okay. For example, Noor, I'm gonna make another triangle, but in this triangle, I'll mark the angle A. Okay, instead of C. So this hypotenuse remains same, but I'm gonna mark here angle A. Okay, Noor.
Yes, sir.
Now this side BC is my perpendicular, and this is my base. Easy. So we have a sentence called some people have curly brown hair, curly brown hair through proper brushing. So that is the sentence, through proper brushing. So it means that what? It means that beta sine theta, it is equals to some people have means perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to base divided by hypotenuse, because brown hair means B for base and H for hairs. So means H for hypotenuse. And the tangent theta, it is equals to through proper brushing. So that is perpendicular divided by base. So these are the three formulas. We'll use that in trigonometric ratios. Okay, this sign is known as in maths theta. And theta is angle. Theta is what? It is angle. Theta is what? Angle. So SN, some SPH. Some people have. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. SN याद हो गया? Curly brown hair. Cos theta is equals to base divided by hypotenuse through proper brushing. So tangent theta is equals to perpendicular divided by base. Easy? Everybody? Okay, let's solve a question on that. It's easy. I know that कि आप लोगों को ये आना चाहिए, ये बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं, या आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा अपने टाइम पे. सो क्योंकि छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ाया जाता है ये. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज 19 and that is 7 and we need to find out x. Okay, x find करना है. Asan, what is the name of 19? 19 का नाम क्या है बेटा? What is the name of side with a digit 19? Asan, Asan, बेटा मैं आपका ही नाम ले रहा हूँ. You have to tell me what is the name of the side with digit 19. Ibad. Ibad, what is the name of the side?
Which sir?
Ji Ibad, what is the name of the side 19?
Hypotenuse.
Yes, it is hypotenuse. So सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे hypotenuse. Okay, side opposite to the angle. So angle x की opposite side is perpendicular. Okay, so it means that the third side is base. Okay, Noor, we have three formulas, right? Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing, right, Noor?
Yes.
Do we have the angle?
Yes, sir.
No, we don't have. Angle is x.
Sir, it should be 90 degrees, right?
No, no, no. I'm talking about x because the question is find x, not 90 degrees.
Yeah, we don't have.
Okay, we don't have the angle. So let me write question mark on S, C, and T. Easy.
Yes.
Okay. Do we have hypotenuse?
Yes.
Okay. So take hypotenuse in the formulas. Okay, we had only 2h. Okay. Do we have the base?
Yes.
Okay. Take. Okay. Which formula has two ticks and one question mark?
Second one.
Yes, which is cos theta. Agree?
Yes.
So cos theta is equals to curly brown here. So means base divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So theta is x here. So we'll write cos x is equals to base is 7 and hypotenuse is 19. Okay. We know that we need to find out x, not cos x. So cos will go there and it becomes cos inverse 7 divided by 19. Okay. So you know this already, that how to do this in calculator. If not, so then please watch it carefully. अभी हमें कैलकुलेटर का इस्तेमाल ज़रा ज़्यादा करना है क्योंकि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री तकरीबन 90% कैलकुलेटर पे होगी. सो कॉस इनवर्स अगर आप में से किसी को आता है तो अपने कैलकुलेटर में पंच कर लेती है. ये ओपन हो रहा है. So if we press single, so that would be cos, but we have to press shift and cos button. So cos inverse. So cos inverse and the fraction is 7 divided by 19 and bracket closed equal. So the answer is what? X is equals to 68.38. Okay, in Cambridge, we leave the angle till one decimal place as X is the angle. So 68.4 degree is the answer. Easy, everybody? Understood? Ibad, understood? Any problem, bacha? Any problem? यार बच्चा आप लोगों को मैं बार बार इतना तेज तेज मुझे नाम लेने पड़ते हैं और फिर भी आगे से. Okay, now it's time to write a second case. A second case can be in this question using trigonometric ratios. Is that, for example, this angle is 20 degrees. This is 9 and this is x. Okay, Ibad, naming side is very much important. आपको नाम करना है find x. We need to find out x. Okay. Ayana, as I asked you a bit earlier, that what is the name of x? X का नाम क्या होगा बेटा? X का क्या नाम है right angle triangle में?
Hypotenuse.
Very good. So we'll write hypotenuse with x. Okay. But what is the name of 9? 9 का नाम क्या है?
Perpendicular.
Very good. It is side opposite to the angle, so it is perpendicular. Right, Asen? So now we have the three formulas. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Kabir, can you hear me? Okay. Beta, do we have angle? All of you. क्या हमारे पास इस क्वेश्चन में एंगल मौजूद है? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let me take S, C, and T. Okay. Do we have hypotenuse available?
No.
No, because we are going to find it. So that is the reason I'll write H as question mark. Okay. Do we have perpendicular available?
Yes.
Okay. One P is here and one P is here. Okay. Which formula has two ticks and one question mark?
First one.
I know that the third also has two ticks, but we don't want to find out the base because that is not the requirement of the question. It is something like that. I'm asking you, bacha, how are you feeling? So then you say, sir, day is very fine. Okay. So it's a right answer, but to the wrong question. Okay. So it means that this is the first formula. So it is sine theta. It is equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Okay, Ayana, theta is 20 in this question. It is given. So we'll write sine 20. Perpendicular is 9 and hypotenuse is x. So x will go there and sine 20 will come here. Subject making simple, sine 20. So sine 20. Okay, so that would be fraction 9 divided by साइन 20. बाद बच्चे कहते हैं सर आपने भी यहाँ पे इनवर्स क्यों नहीं लिया? बेटा इनवर्स इसलिए नहीं लिया, एंगल तो नहीं फाइंड कर रहा ना, मैं साइड फाइंड कर रहा हूँ. तो 26.3. सो द आंसर इज 26.3 सेंटीमीटर. मीटर कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये साइड थी. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? यस और नो? बेटा
Yes.
क्लियर है सबको? ओके, दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे, बट लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। या बात करनी थी इसलिए आप सब लोगों से। बेटा आई वांट यू, अगर आप लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं जरा प्लीज ऑन कीजिएगा, ठीक है? आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली। मुझे कुछ बात करनी है आप लोगों से। इफ यू गाइस कैन टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास, सो दैट वुड बी फाइन। बेटा कैमरास ऑन हो सकते हैं? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग खैर बंद कर देता हूँ। मैं रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने बंद कर दी है।